Ninja Espresso not tasting right? If it's been a while since your last clean, now's the time. Here's a quick step-by-step guide to clean every key part, fast. Step 1. Unplug the machine and let it cool. Always start with a cold unit to avoid burns and internal damage. Step 2. Empty and clean the drip tray and pod bin. Remove the drip tray and use pod container. Wash them with warm soapy water, rinse and let them dry before reinstalling. Step 3. Clean the water tank and valve area. Remove the tank and clean it with mild dish soap. Wipe the valve area underneath to remove buildup or residue. Step 4. Clean the pod holder and needle area. Pop out the pod holder and rinse it under warm water. Use a small brush or paper clip to clean the needle that pierces the pod. This improves flow and prevents blockages. Step 5. Wipe the brew head and housing. Use a damp cloth to wipe around the pod chamber and all surfaces that touch coffee or steam. Avoid using harsh chemicals, just warm water is enough. Step 6. Run a water-only cycle to flush the system. With no pod inserted, run a hot water cycle. This clears out residual oils and keeps internal lines fresh. How often should you clean it? Drip tray and pod bin, every 2 to 3 days. Water tank and pod holder, once a week. Flush cycle, every few uses. Deep clean plus descale, about once a month. If you need help with deeper cleaning or descaling, check the support link in the description. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching and enjoy your coffee.